When my grandfather started the gallery, there was no other art gallery in Chennai. Nobody knew what art was. They also had a framing unit, so most people came in to frame certificates and to frame photographs. And slowly my grandfather started looking at art and artists. He used to go regularly to the art college, give the artists a 500 rupee note or a bottle of rum, and then pick up whatever works they did and brought them back, framed them, and started selling them. And slowly, the time that he started this was also the time there were only five other art galleries in the country, in Delhi and Bombay, who started this whole contemporary thing. It slowly picked up, and then there were more galleries, and people understood the value of modern art in a context which was unheard of in the 60s, because there was obviously the classical arts, but there was also there was traditional arts, there was the tanjores, but he saw a future in modern art, which was very path-breaking. And he ran it for 30 years until my mother joined the business. When she was 30, she had the same eye as my grandfather to identify great artists. And she and my father, Vishwajit, they were both actively involved in going all over the country, identifying artists and helping them to display their works. I have seen this. I have grown up with art and artists from my childhood. I have seen all the best artists. We have had a lot of art camps and interesting discussions, and I've seen basically a lot of everything of the artwork, from the artist to the market to the way everything works. In a time like that, things were different because it was much easier to sell art, and it was much easier to be relevant in a field like that. Now, since there's a lot more variety and there's a lot more artists, there are a lot more people who have the courage to become artists, because now there's a market, now there's a way for them to sell their art. Everyone has a vision, everyone has something to say, everyone has a way to express themselves, and I think that's beautiful. My biggest hope is that since my grandfather and mother have taken it to 60 years, I hope to take it another 60 years.